Hey Artland, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw KOMODITHRAX from the Godzilla the Series show. Now, KOMODITHRAX was actually a good guy and was actually Godzilla's mate in the show. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right up here, I'm just going to draw a little oval shape for the eye. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up and down for the eye. And then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves around. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just goes up and down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves down here. And then I'm going to make another line that goes up and over for the other part of the eye. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. I'm just going to kind of curve this around and just bring it up and down. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and that's just going to curve down to here. And then I'm just going to bring it up. Then right here, I'm just going to add some little teeth in the mouth. And then I'm going to put some on this side as well. And then I'm going to add a little curve line or two in there. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little line that goes right down the edge here. It's going to curve around here. And then we'll make a line that goes down and up. And then it's just going to curve up to here. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go right around here. Make a little line that just kind of curves around here. And we'll put another little curve line over here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little circle shape here and a little oval shape right there. A little line that kind of curves around and goes up. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around, put a little fork in it, and then come back for the tongue. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a little bumpy line that just kind of goes around. And I'm going to go out, and I'm going to kind of bring it in a little bit. Then starting over here, I'm going to draw a little curved line. And I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and then this one's also just going to kind of curve in. It's going to be kind of wider out here and then skinnier over here. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and in, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this one over. And then I want to work on the arms. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve over and then down. She's got long arms, so I'm going to make this line go down and then one that kind of curves out to here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and up. Another one that goes down and up. And then we'll put one more here. We'll kind of curve it up. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up. It's going to kind of curve around and come in. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. I'm going to make a line that kind of curves over and comes down here. I'm going to put another one that goes up and down there. I'm going to draw one that kind of curves around here. A couple little curve lines. We're going to curve up and then go in. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then right over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to kind of come up here. Little line right here, and then a line that just kind of goes down. Long line that kind of curves out, and we're just going to add some toes onto here. You want to bring this up, and she's got a little claw right here. So we're going to go up and then over. Little line's just going to kind of curve around here. Just going to connect it right here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw another line that goes down and kind of over. The line that goes down, and we'll kind of put the other foot off here behind it. Then starting here, I want to draw her long tail. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. It's going to come up here. I'm going to kind of bring this around and then just kind of curve it down to here for the tail. Now we just want to come in and add some of the different details onto here. So I'm just going to add a couple little kind of lines right around here. A couple little broken lines kind of right around the mouth. A few little extra lines over here. And then I'm going to draw a little pupil right in there. Put a few extra lines right around the face and the eye. There's a big change in color from her back to her stomach. So we're just going to kind of draw some of these little lines right around here. And kind of bring them all the way up to the tail. Add a couple little lines up here. We're going to give her, she's got like really tiny claws, even though her hands and feet are really big. She's got really small claws. So we're just going to put really small ones on here. Add a couple little extra lines right around them. Just for some extra detail. She's got a lot of extra little kind of curved lines. So we'll kind of put some different size ones on here, throw some broken lines on there. And then just kind of add some different little size lines on here. Kind of put a couple little ones right around here. Add some kind of long lines going right down here on her neck. And she's going to have some different size little curved lines on up here. You're going to add some little kind of partial circles too, or ovals. Add a big curved line right here. Add some kind of curved lines kind of right around where her knee would be. And then a big line here. And then just some kind of random little broken lines everywhere. We'll do some more curves on the foot and a little claw up here. And then just some kind of quick little lines all over. Kind of same thing over here. And some little details on the hand too. Put some little curved lines here. And I'm going to put some quick little kind of curved lines right around here. I'm going to put some quick little things here. And some little details over here. And I'm going to put a few little details just right around the face. And there you go. There is your drawing of Komodithrax from the Godzilla the Series show. And if you guys would like to see more of these, definitely let me know and tell me which ones you'd like to see me draw. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.